Hey guys, in the last video you learned about the if-else statement, and in this video you're going to learn about the else-if statement. So the else-if statement is just a part of the if-else statement, and it basically allows us to add another conditional or as many more conditionals as we want to the if-else statement. So for example, in this code, I have the statement if num1 is greater than num2, it prints out the first number is greater than the second number. Now let's say that I wanted to add another condition where if num1 is equal to num2, the program should print out the first number is equal to the second number. In this case, on the next line, I would write else if, open brackets, and in the brackets I would write my second condition, which is num1 is equal to num2, open curly brackets again, and in those curly brackets, I would write the statement that I want executed, which is the system should print out the message, the first number is equal to the second number. Now in this program, I only added one more conditional else-if statement, but keep in mind that you can add as many else-if statements as you want. So using else-if, I can add as many conditions like this as I want to this program. So what would happen when I tried to run this program is that the computer would first read this line of code, and if it read that this condition is true, then it would execute the statement and it will print out this message. But if this was not true, then it would move on to the second condition. If this condition were true, then the computer would execute this statement and print out this message. But if the second condition is also not true, then it will move on to the last condition, which will print out this message no matter what. So keep in mind that the computer would only print out one of these messages, based on which condition is true. So now I'm going to change num2's value to 10. So when I run this program, try to guess what the output would be, and which of these statements would be executed. So when I run the program, you can see that the message that is printed is this one. The first number is equal to the second number. And the reason for that is that this is the only condition that is true. So that's how the else-if statement works in Java.